How just 26 push-ups a day will change your body. The push-up is regarded as an essential component of good fitness routines. It is simple but excellent for increasing strength. Performing push-ups on a daily basis can be a way to increase your fitness level without having to use any exercise equipment, pay for a gym membership, or use anything other than your body weight to achieve results. Push-ups are a strength training activity used for many years to improve muscle, endurance, and strength. Push-ups are incredibly effective for training the arms and chest. Their key target muscles are the triceps, biceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. Push-ups help strengthen our core and lower back by engaging the abdominal muscles when done correctly. Are you curious about some of the numerous reasons why you should add push-ups to your everyday routine? In this video, we'll discuss the 8 benefits of practicing push-ups daily. Also, watch the complete video. I will provide you with a simple push-up routine to start getting in shape. By the way, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell. That way, you won't miss any of our new videos. 1. Improves cardiovascular health. The more push-ups you can accomplish, your cardiovascular health will improve. According to one 2019 study, men who could achieve at least 40 push-ups in under 60 seconds, you had a much lower risk of cardiovascular issues, including heart attack and heart failure, than men who could only complete 10 or fewer. Push-ups can also assist in increasing your heart rate. Push-ups, while essentially used to increase muscular strength, can also benefit your cardiovascular health. Remember that push-ups work numerous muscles at the same time. This implies that your heart will have to work to get enough blood and oxygen to your body. 2. Enhance your posture. Push-ups are good exercise for improving your posture. Push-ups, when done correctly, may be fantastic for our posture, placing us in a decent position instead of hunching over or looking down. If you spend a lot of time sitting, your posture may suffer. Fortunately, numerous exercises can help repair the damage and promote better posture. Push-ups, when done correctly, will activate and develop the core, and your body will naturally lean toward improved posture. Push-ups can be performed anywhere to maintain fitness and strength. You can even begin your day with push-ups to get your circulation pumping and boost your confidence. One activity that will activate your back muscles and help you establish a strong, stable core to maintain a straight posture is the push-up. 3. Lose weight by burning calories. If you want to lose weight, exercising to increase muscle mass throughout your body will encourage a higher metabolism, allowing your body to burn more calories. Push-ups, as an exercise that builds strength and raises your heart rate, will help you burn calories and fat as you work toward losing weight. How many calories can you burn with push-ups? The answer is determined by several criteria, including your age, gender, and weight, as well as the intensity of your activity. While push-ups are traditionally thought of as a bodyweight exercise, you can incorporate them into a cardio-style workout. Fast push-ups, performed with good form, can be used as cardio exercise. 4. Strengthens your joints and bones. Push-ups not only strengthen muscles but also aid in developing your body's supporting components. Regular push-ups, for example, will help strengthen the elbows and shoulders over time since they entail movement at those joints. Push-ups, as a bodyweight workout, are also helpful for increasing and maintaining bone strength. Push-ups protect the shoulders from damage. Pushing up appropriately necessitates the activation of the stabilizing muscles that surround the rotator cuff. This prepares the shoulders for dynamic activities and reduces the likelihood of crippling injuries. Push-ups are an excellent complement to any strength training plan because of these benefits. Weight-bearing workouts, such as push-ups, increase bone density, which is beneficial for women who are more prone to osteoporosis. 5. Strengthens the upper body. The push-up helps to build muscle and enhance upper body strength. It focuses on the chest, arms, particularly the triceps, and shoulders. Furthermore, when you work on your pushing muscles, such as with a push-up, you work muscles other than those in your chest. Accessory muscles such as your triceps, the backs of your upper arms, and shoulders assist your pecs in completing the exercises, so you're also exercising those muscles. Furthermore, holding the top part of the push-up improves shoulder stability. Developing functional fitness through push-ups provides the necessary strength to perform these movements. 6. No special equipment required. Push-ups are a terrific exercise choice that can be done anywhere, at any time, because you don't need any equipment to make them difficult. Push-ups are an excellent workout for people of all fitness levels. They can be easily incorporated into a home program without equipment, while remaining extremely challenging. There will always be a push-up version for you to challenge yourself, whether a novice or more skilled in your training. Push-ups are an unrivaled upper body exercise in terms of simplicity. This exercise saves time, money, and energy that would otherwise be spent on any other gym workout because it only requires a hard and stable surface. This is a unique set of advantages that are frequently overlooked aspects of bodyweight training. Consider this. All the benefits listed above are reasons to begin bodyweight training, while the unexpected benefits are reasons to stick with it in the long run. 7. Push-ups improve your core strength. Push-ups are terrific upper body strengtheners that increase endurance and power in the chest and shoulders. However, when done correctly, the push-up activates the core, including the abdominal muscles, for stabilization. Push-ups engage the same muscles as planks use to maintain your body rigid as you press up and down. The rectus abdominals, which form the front sheath of your abs, the deep core muscle of the transverse abdominals, and the obliques at the sides of your waist, stabilize your center. Lower back muscles also assist in keeping your body parallel to the floor. Throughout the movement, keep your abs contracted. Tighten your abs like you're bracing for a punch to do this. Even if you need to adapt and place your knees on the floor to reduce the intensity, if you employ the perfect technique, you'll still get fantastic exercise. 8. Helps assist with everyday tasks. Your training regimen should have benefits beyond simply making you seem smaller and toned. We want your workouts to help you feel better, move better, and function daily. Push-ups will aid you by increasing your strength for everyday chores like picking up items. The exercise will help you avoid injuries while doing your daily activities. Push-ups aid in the prevention of lower back problems. The push-up, when done correctly, demands the activation of the complete torso and cultivates muscles important for minimizing lower back pressure, lowering the risk of injury. A push-up has some empowering qualities. They make you feel powerful, competent, and confident. The ability to lift one's body weight off the ground and maintain balance is astounding and something we should all strive to achieve. The push-up is a powerful and all-encompassing bodyweight exercise with numerous evident benefits. It's something you can do anywhere, at any time, to help you build a more muscular, healthier body. This is a perfect moment to incorporate this activity into your workout program and advance your fitness. Here is your simple push-up routine. 1. Knee stance push-ups 1 set by 26 reps. Rest 1 minute. 2. Military push-ups 1 set of 26 reps. Rest 1 minute. 3. Wide push-ups 1 set of 26 reps. Rest 1 minute. If you need to rest during push-ups, take the rest your body needs. Start doing this routine every other day. Your long-term goal is to do it every day. Stay healthy and keep training.